Okay everyone, so I bought a new desk a couple weeks ago. It's still like I haven't gotten any notification when it's gonna arrive, but on the website it says it usually takes about 5 to 20 days, so I'm gonna wait. Hopefully something happens, but I did buy 2 parts of this desk. I saw this YouTuber with this desk and I wanted to buy exactly the same one like she has, and hers it's like 2 separate parts, the bottom and then the top part. Like the top part is from a different company and then the bottom one as well. Before I forget, my name is Elizabeth and the types of videos I normally film are vlogs. So yes, I'm so excited that I finally bought it. Here's the package. I'm so excited to finally open it. So what I was thinking is opening this package and setting it up here. So just removing this part right here. Hopefully it's easy. I'm not so sure. I'll figure out today if it is or not to remove it completely or not. But yeah, I'm gonna have this part removed and then I'm gonna still have my desk here. Okay, so it turned out super nice. I just don't like the fact that it has like this little mark here, but whatever. Okay, so next I'm going to remove all of this and, ooh, thumbnail. So now I'm going to remove all of this, clean up a little bit, and then place the top part over here. Hopefully it's easy to remove this part, but we'll find out. I don't know. Hopefully. Okay. How am I going to remove this? Okay, finally. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. It's empty. And now the moment of truth. It looks so nice. Yeah, so it looks really nice. Now, this color is a lot lighter than this one because the new desk that I bought is exactly the same color as this one. So yes, maybe if I turn it off you can see. But yeah, so that's how it looks right now. I'm gonna start putting items inside, little cubbies or whatever. So yes, and now I'm gonna put my computer right here. Oh, I'm so excited. I almost forgot, I also bought this item, like a little container to put it in, so here it is, and yeah. Ooh, that's nice. Here, this is how it looks. Okay, it's nice, it's nice. I don't know if I put it this side. I don't think it matters. Right? I don't know. Right here. Ooh, it fits so nice. Look. Okay. I'm happy. So this is how it turned out. Oh my god, there's a bow. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Right now I'm just gonna leave it like that. I kind of sort of want to change it up just a bit. So when I get my new desk, I'm gonna throw away a few items, but at the moment, this is how it looks. So yes, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it entertaining. I will link this one, where I got this part below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.